Okay, now we have the next method of determination of molecular weight of the non-volatile solute, and it is nothing but elevation in boiling point of the solution. So next we have elevation in boiling point of solution. Elevation in boiling point of solution. First you should clear the meaning of elevation. In class 10th it was a topic in mathematics. You have height and distance. There was two important words. Number one, angle of elevation, angle of depression. Elevation means increasing side, depression decreasing side. So increasing means so simple. Suppose you have non-volatile solute. You have non-volatile solute. Suppose you have water. Water has boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. So you take simple water in a beaker and you boil it. So it will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. But suppose you have another sample of water containing some solute. So obviously its boiling point will be more than 100. Have you observed this or not? If you have the water and you are boiling the water, as soon as you add some solute, sugar or salt, the vapors emerging suppressed, and it will emerge after some time when boiling point is increased. It means whenever the solute is added to the solvent, due to decrease in vapor pressure, the formation of vapors, the boiling point will get increased. Have you observed this or not? Yes, absolutely. This is the truth phenomena. This is the experimental phenomena you can see at your kitchen. If you boil water, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. But when we add some sugar or some salt, then it will boil at more than 100 degrees Celsius. Suppose after adding solute, it boils at 110 degrees Celsius. So how much increase in temperature from 100 to 110? How much? 10 degrees Celsius. So this increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point of the solution. So simple we can say that when non-volatile solute is added to the pure solvent, due to decrease in vapor pressure of the solution, there is increase in the boiling point of the solution. This increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point. So write down this heading, elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point of solution. Write of solution also. Okay, below that write down, when non-volatile solute, especially we will discuss here for non-volatile solute, but this is true for both volatile as well as for non-volatile. When non-volatile solute is added to pure solvent, is added to pure solvent, vapor pressure of the solution decreases. Vapor pressure of the solution decreases. This results increase in boiling point of the solution. This results increase in boiling point of the solution. And is known as elevation in boiling point of the solution. And is known as elevation in boiling point of the solution. Yes, have you all written that? Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now write down heading mathematical form. Mathematical form. Mathematical form. So first see, then you will note down. So please see on the board. Suppose we have a pure solvent. In yesterday class, I have told you about that if you will better understand the relative lowering in vapor pressure, you will automatically understand all the rest properties, 4 properties. Those same figure we are having here that we have drawn yesterday. Say this is a solvent. That's why I have applied the same approach so that you can easily understand all the 4 topics. And this is the solute having weight is small w gram. And what we have done, when this plus this will become solution. Small w is the weight in gram of solute and small m is the molecular weight of solute. Capital W is the solvent weight in gram and capital M is the molecular weight of the solute. It is this. So obviously greater is the amount of solute. आप वाटर को बॉइल करो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस बॉइल होगा, उसमें आप 2 ग्राम शुगर डालो, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विल गेट इंक्रीज, 2 और डाल दो और इंक्रीज होगा. As you increase more and more quantity of the solute, boiling point will increase in the corresponding order. It means by experimental observation. It is simple experimental observation. There is no rocket science. Simple. By experimental observation, elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point of solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solute. Always we will consider this one here. This is directly proportional to this. Greater is the amount of solute quantity added, greater will be the increase in boiling point of the solute. Always this remember. You know very well, increase in boiling point, say initial boiling point of the solute is T0 and TB is the boiling point of the solution. So suppose it is 100 degrees Celsius and this is 110 degrees Celsius. So how much increase? 110 minus 10. It means increase in boiling point of the solution is the difference of TB and T0. TB and T0. So in case of this you can write here TB minus T0 is equal to mole fraction of the solute N1 upon N2, equation number 2, or simple you can say proportional. As the sign of proportionality eliminate, we get a constant K. It is capital K, where capital K is a constant called constant of proportionality. So you can write here where TB is equal to boiling point of solution, comma T0 boiling point of solvent, N1 equal to moles of solute, moles of non-volatile solute. Always remember it is non-volatile solute and this is always small w upon small m, and N2 is equal to moles of solvent, moles of solvent, and it is always capital W over capital M, and K is equal to constant of proportionality. Proportionality. It is this. So by putting the value of N1 and N2 in equation 1, also TB minus T0 is equal to delta TB is equal to called कितना increase हुआ? This is actually elevation in boiling point of solution. It is elevation in boiling point of the solution. So by putting all these values in equation 1, you have from equation number 1 del TB in place of TB minus T0, you can write del TB is equal to capital K N1. N1 is the W1, N1 is small w over small m, and N2 is capital W over capital M. So this again you can write capital this, simple solve capital M. So this will become finally small w capital M, and this is capital W small m, this equation. So now we elaborate this one. It is capital K into small w is what? If you see, small w is solute weight in gram upon This is small m. Small m is what? Molecular weight of solute into, this is capital W. This is what? Solvent weight in gram. And this is what? Capital M. Molecular weight of solvent. It is this. It is in gram. So if you change this into kg, so this will be divided by 1000. So that's why I have put it here 1000, only because of this region. So finally, so why is 1000 there? Because weight of solvent in gram, as per definition of molality, we have already discussed in first class. In first class of the chapter, we have discussed molality, moles of solute dissolve in 1 kg of solvent. So solvent weight is in gram. So that's why we have changed this into kg. So that's why 1000 is there. So solve this. So del TB is equal to finally 1000 capital K, capital M, capital K, capital M, and the rest one is solute weight, small w. This is molecular weight, small m. Solvent weight, capital W. It is this. So you can put 1000 there. It is this. Say we put 1000 here. So this equation can be further written as del TB is equal to K into M. K into M. Capital K is proportionality constant. Capital M molecular weight of the solvent. Because you have prepared the solvent, listen carefully, this is very important statement. Capital M is the molecular weight of the solvent. Because you have prepared the solution, so you know very well what the solvent have you taken. If it is water, obviously the molecular weight will be 18. If it is any other solvent, you can calculate the molecular weight. So once the solvent is considered, the molecular weight is constant. So capital K is constant, M is constant. Constant into constant, new term. This is called here capital K in suffix B, and it is called here molar elevation constant. Its name is put here molar elevation constant. It is this. So in place of K into M, you can put here Kb, and this whole becomes molality. Molality. So the formula becomes del TB is equal to molality symbol small m. So this small m is for molality and this small m is for molecular weight. Remember, this is the difference. Small m into Kb. One formula is this. Also you can say, I am writing here after this. Also, this equation number, you can say 2 from equation 2. Also from equation 2, del TB is equal to 1000 K into M is Kb, and this is what? Small w over there is small m and capital W. So small m को आप लेफ्ट में ले आइए, तो small m is equal to 1000 Kb small w over del TB capital W. अगर इस फॉर्मूले में आपके पास if you have the known values of W, this, तो putting all these 4 value, you can calculate small m, which is the molecular weight of the solute, and that was the main purpose. What was the main heading? Method of determination of molecular weight of the non-volatile solute. In Raoult's law, we have calculated small m. In derivation, now we are going to calculate small m. So in all the 4 properties, we will mainly focus on small m, which is the molecular weight of non-volatile solute. So it is this equation number, it is 2, it is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. So equation 3 and 4 are required mathematical form of elevation in boiling point. It is in equation 3 in terms of polarity and equation 4 in terms of weight in gram and this. So these are the important mathematical forms. ये बात सबको clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
So this is how can we calculate. So please note down this.
Yes, sir.
Please note down this.